You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. Your bones ache with a dull throb that just won't go away, and you seem to catch every cold that goes around the office. You might think this is just part of aging or stress, but there is a silent epidemic happening right now that could be the root cause of your suffering. It is not just a simple vitamin deficiency. It is the lack of a powerful pro-hormone that controls the expression of your DNA. Today, we're going to unlock the power of vitamin D, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use the sun and your diet to potentially save your life. Let's start by changing how you view this nutrient. We call it vitamin D, but that is actually a misnomer. Unlike other vitamins that you must get strictly from food, your body is designed to manufacture vitamin D when your skin interacts with sunlight. It acts more like a hormone than a vitamin, regulating hundreds of pathways in your body. If you imagine your body as a massive construction site, calcium is the bricks used to build your bones. But without vitamin D, those bricks just pile up uselessly on the ground. Vitamin D is the foreman that directs calcium into the bone structure. Without it, you face decalcification and osteoporosis. But the rabbit hole goes much deeper than just strong bones. Let's talk about the big C, cancer. This is where the science gets incredibly fascinating and crucial for you to understand. Research suggests that vitamin D deficiency is linked to a higher risk of various cancers. For instance, studies have shown that maintaining optimal vitamin D levels can reduce the risk of melanoma by up to 57% in high-risk individuals. Furthermore, there's an inverse relationship between sun exposure and cancer. Generally, the more solar exposure you get, the less likely you are to develop most types of cancer. Specifically, vitamin D has been associated with the prevention of colorectal cancer. Imagine your immune system as a security system. Vitamin D is the electricity that keeps that system running. It modulates your immune response. When you have adequate levels, your body can recognize and eliminate defective cells before they multiply and become tumors. This is why people in sunnier climates often have lower rates of certain cancers compared to those in northern latitudes with less sun. It acts as a guardian, helping your body perform its natural cleanup processes effectively. Now, you might be thinking, I'll just pop a pill and be done with it. Not so fast. The way you get your vitamin D matters immensely. While supplements are necessary for some, especially in winter or for specific medical conditions, nature's delivery system is often superior. The sun provides vitamin D3, which is the form your body uses most effectively. However, there is a catch. You have probably been told to fear the sun, to cover up and use heavy sunblock. While preventing burns is essential, complete avoidance is dangerous. To get the benefits without the risks, you need smart exposure. You should expose yourself to the sun for about 20 minutes a day. The timing is critical. You want the sun that doesn't burn. Ideally, this is between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. or in the late afternoon between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Just a few minutes with your sleeves rolled up can be enough to satisfy your vitamin D requirements. Let's shift gears to your mental health and energy levels. Have you ever felt that winter blues? That is not just in your head, it is physiological. Vitamin D plays a massive role in your sleep and mood regulation. If you struggle with insomnia or poor sleep quality, magnesium and vitamin D are critical cofactors. In fact, vitamin D is essential for the absorption of calcium, which in turn helps you relax. If you're deficient, your sleep suffers, your recovery suffers, and you wake up exhausted. It is a vicious cycle. By optimizing your vitamin D, You're essentially greasing the gears of your body's circadian rhythm. Furthermore, we must discuss the synergy of nutrients. You cannot just isolate vitamin D. It works in a beautiful dance with other minerals. We mentioned calcium, but let's look at the diet. You need to consume foods that support this system. Foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon and sardines, eggs, specifically the yolks, and certain mushrooms. However, remember that sources like dairy can be inflammatory for some people, especially men over 50, who should limit dairy intake to avoid prostate issues. Instead, focus on a diet rich in vegetables and healthy fats. Healthy fats are crucial because vitamin D is fat-soluble. This means if you take a vitamin D supplement with a fat-free breakfast, you are flushing money down the toilet. You need fat to absorb it. There is also a fascinating connection to your blood sugar and metabolism. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to insulin resistance. When you are resistant to insulin, you store more fat and risk developing type 2 diabetes. By correcting your vitamin D levels, you help your body manage insulin better, which can aid in weight management and metabolic health. It is all connected. Your bones, your immune system, your sleep, and your waistline are all tethered to this one crucial molecule. So, what is the action plan? First, stop guessing. You cannot know your vitamin D status by how you feel alone. You need a blood test to measure your 25-hydroxy vitamin D levels. Once you know your baseline, you can act. If you are low, consult with your doctor about supplementation, but prioritize the sun. Get those 20 minutes of safe sun exposure daily. Adjust your diet to include those healthy fats and vitamin D-rich foods we discussed. And remember, if you are taking vitamin D supplements, ensure you are also getting enough magnesium, as vitamin D synthesis can deplete your magnesium reserves. This isn't just about avoiding rickets or weak bones. This is about optimizing your human potential. It is about waking up with energy, protecting your body against chronic disease, and feeling your best every single day. The power of the sun is free, and it is waiting for you. Do not let modern indoor living rob you of your health. Step outside, breathe the air, and let the sun do its work. If you found this information valuable and want to dive deeper into how to optimize your health through natural means, make sure you're subscribed. We have a lot more ground to cover on how simple changes can have profound effects on your life. Leave a comment below. Do you get enough sun, or do you rely on supplements? I want to hear your strategy. See you in the next video.